Hey there, folks. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Facebook Business Manager account. It's essential to follow these steps carefully, so you can say goodbye to your Business Manager account for good. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Access Facebook Manager. First, we need to access the Facebook Business Manager. You can do this by going to your web browser and searching for Facebook Business Manager. Click on the link and log in with your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your Business Manager accounts. Step 2. Locate your account. Now, take a look at the list of Business Manager accounts. Identify the one you want to delete. I'm going to select this one. Step 3. Access Business Settings. To delete your Business Manager account, click on the Settings icon in the corner. This will open the Business Settings menu. Go to Business Settings. Here, you'll find various options. What we're looking for is the Business Info section. Click on Business Info to proceed. Step 4. Permanently delete business. Now, you'll notice an option to permanently delete business in the top right corner. Click on this option if you're absolutely sure. You can skip this if you want. Click Next to continue. Facebook will require you to enter your password to confirm the deletion. Type in your password and click Next. After confirming your password, Facebook will provide you with a notice that the Business Manager will be deleted within 24 hours. If you change your mind during this time, you can recover it. If you're still sure you want to proceed, click Done. And there you have it. After 24 hours, your Business Manager account will be automatically and permanently deleted. That's it. You've successfully removed your Facebook Business Manager account. Thank you for watching this video on how to delete your Facebook Business Manager account permanently. We hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.